guys, welcome back to my channel. You know, how y'all been? I've been doing good. The bitch been trying to get this money. I'm okay. Anywho, I'm getting ready for work and I want to show you guys how I put on my eyelashes. Some may call them fake eyelashes. I say that they just came in a different package from my body. Whatever.
Is there a problem? Hello, is there a problem? What's the hold up? Do me.
So the problem is you don't have any lashes for me to extend.
I have lashes.
Okay.
You just have to they're thin. So you gotta get close up on them and do it. Come on, do my shit. I got somewhere to be. I'm not, first of all, what is this, the dentist?
Wow.
Just put the lash on. I don't understand why you can't see.
It's nothing to put onto because you don't have any lashes.
Yes, I do. I have lashes. I have more than you. Yes, I do. How you gonna tell me it's my face? Wow. I have, let me see that mirror.
Hold on.
I have lashes, boo.
Show me where they at. You see them?
I really don't need none, but.
That's...
But these lashes are from my collection, JJuheard Cosmetics. I know this looks a little crazy. I lost the box. I lost some lashes. So I don't want to say it's a palette. It's like a package, has been through it, right? Oh my god, that pimple is huge. So I just got this really big pimple and I'm freaking out right now.
Oh, and I'm like, oh my god. So I back farther and farther away and I think maybe I should faint, but I don't.
Whatever. So the lashes I'm going to be using today are called Virgo Bitch. And they're super, super cute. So actually all three of these pairs are Virgo Bitch. I lost the two other pairs, Queen Hustle and Blessed. I don't know where they are, but I'm going to find them. I have just a bunch of eyelashes, obviously. I sell them, so. But I don't like wasting them either. So I'm just going to peel these off. And I'm going to show you guys how to put lashes on with long nails. With no applicator, none of that, okay? This lash pack does come with an applicator though, but I don't use it, so whatever. So I'm just taking these out of the pack. This is what they look like. I hate when people do this, but I kind of have to. But this is what they look like. They're really wispy and they're not too dramatic. They're 22 milliliters, so they're not super long. Perfect for work, at least for my job. For some other jobs, probably not. But so I have my duo glue. What I like to do, and you guys might laugh, I like to squeeze it so you guys see it. So a little bit at the top, because what happens if I squeeze it too hard, it overflows and it's a hot mess. So I'm just putting it on the lash like so. Now you want to do a super thin layer because you can always add more glue after. I've learned that when you put too much glue, it gets stuck on your upper eyebrow or something and you look fucking nuts. So I'm going to put this down and let this dry. You want to let it get tacky for up to 15 to 30 seconds. I usually walk away and do something else. But today I'm pretty much dressed. I just have to put my lashes on and my lip gloss, but that's for later. This is what it looks with the glue. I put it on the band. So if you have long nails, you can do this. Actually, I find it easier to apply my lashes with long nails than the applicator. For some reason, I don't know why. I really wish I could tell y'all, but I just feel like it's easier for me. Typically, I don't even really need this mirror. I'm only using it to show you guys the easier way that I learned how to do it. So I just have this bronzer that has a mirror attached to it, like a portable mirror, and I'm going to hold the mirror like this. So I'm gonna look down and apply my lashes. I always recommend when you're looking down, see, I barely have any lashes, but when you're looking down, look at this line right here where my nail is. This is the line that you want to put your lashes on. Because when I put my lashes on, you're gonna be able to tell that it looks like my natural lash. You don't want to put your lashes, I've seen people put their lashes up here. I've seen people put their lashes up here. I've seen them put it under the lash. I mean, I've never tried under the lash. I might try it one day, but I feel like it looks more natural on, like, literally on your lash line. So what you're gonna do, now your glue should be tacky. So I'm gonna use this side because the hairs are shorter, and you want the shorter side, the shorter hair inside of your eye, if that makes sense. So like, you don't want, if the lash has long hairs, it should be on that side. I don't even know if that makes sense, but you get what I'm saying. So I'm looking down, and notice I'm using my nail as an applicator. So this is how the applicator looks. Well, my nail. And what I do, I like to push on the center first. I'm holding it, I'm holding it, I'm holding it. The inner corner always takes the longest. So I hold the middle first, then I just press down very lightly. And if anything, you could push it down with your finger. I've never talked through this, so this is kind of awkward, but as you can see, it's literally right on the line. If you see a little bit of glue, that's totally fine. It's gonna dry to be clear. What I might do, like if I'm on the go, I'll just like wipe it with my hand like this and it'll come right off. But like if you're in the house, you can use like a paper towel or even a Q-tip to wipe it. See, I'm like pressing it with my finger. With actually my nail, not my finger, because your finger has heat. You don't want heat. You want to do the tip of your long nail. And just keep holding it. And you might even want to like fan it to make it dry quicker. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments. This look like my real lash. You can't tell me this is not my real lash, sis. Okay? Okay. You can't tell me that it's not my real lash. Now before though, now we're gonna go to the left side. This one should be a little bit easier because it's dried a little bit longer. So you're going to take your mirror once again, just going to repeat the same steps. You're going to look in this mirror. You're going to use the tip of your long nail as an applicator. And I'm looking down. And you want to press on that base. Literally, see this one? You see how that was like at the top? It should not have been there. So I moved it. Move it as quickly as you can if it adheres to the top part of your lid. Just move it as quickly as you can and then press it down with your tip of your nails. So I'm literally using my nail as an applicator. It's literally what I'm doing. And what I love about my lashes is that I don't need, what's it called? I don't need liner for my lashes because these bands are so thin that they like, I wouldn't say they melt into my skin, but it does not look janky, you know? Like, it looks good. So I definitely recommend, if you're not gonna buy my lashes, buy some lashes that have a thin band. The thick bands just look janky to me. And you just also have to put eyeliner on top, which just makes it extra work, so. And guys, normally people do say like blend your real eyelashes. You do want to do that, but I don't have any eyelashes. I don't know what it is. I used to do individual eyelash extensions, but I think all my eyelashes have fell out, so I have like 5 strands of eyelashes, but so I really don't have to blend it with this per se. Another cool trick is I take some witch hazel. If I have like excess glue, you don't have to do this, but and I'll take a Q-tip and I'll wet the Q-tip. You don't want to put this in your eye, it will burn like hell. But you want to wipe the top where the glue is. And it'll get rid of that excess glue. See, it's like melting off. Okay guys, so this is my final lash application. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Do you have long nails? Do you struggle? Or do you like short nails? Whatever. I've done my lashes with short nails, but I don't know. Maybe I'm weird, but I feel like it's easier with my tips. So, well, these aren't tips, but I mean they are tips, but you know what I mean, guys, with my long nails. So let me know what you guys think in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Okay, bye.